Welcome to our channel. If you want to disable incognito mode on your Android device to monitor browsing activity or restrict private browsing, follow these simple instructions. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your Android device. Step 2. Since Android does not have a built-in option to completely disable incognito mode, you will need to use parental controls or third-party apps to restrict it. Step 3. Download and install Google Family Link from the Play Store if you want to manage a child's device. Step 4. Set up Family Link by following the on-screen instructions to link your device with the child's device. Step 5. Once setup is complete, open Family Link on your device and select your child's account. Step 6. Tap on Manage Settings, then select Filters on Google Chrome. Step 7. Enable the option to block adult sites, which will also disable incognito mode on the managed device. Step 8. Alternatively, install a third-party browser control app like Mobisip or Norton Family that allows you to completely disable private browsing modes. Step 9. Configure the app according to your preferences and apply the restrictions to block incognito mode. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.